In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to fix promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee. So to fix promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee, all you have to do is follow the steps. First of all, you can try updating your app. So if in a while if you haven't updated, then it might be another reason. So open up your Play Store and on the search box go ahead and type in Shopee, and here you should be able to see update instead of open. So press on it and update the application. That should be able to solve your issue. However, if this issue still persists on, then you can also try clearing your cache as well as data. For that, you could go ahead and long press on your Shopee app and go to app info page, and here you need to go ahead and click on storage and cache. After that, you need to go ahead and click on clear cache as well as data, and that should also be able to fix it. And in some cases, you can go ahead and restart your device and at the same time reinstall your Shopee app, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. If nothing seems to be working out, then you could also go ahead and change your information in the Shopee app. Go to your account center and then change your information such as your billing address or the name and all that, and that should be able to fix your promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee app. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.